answer to question one. One thing to understand is that culture is never static. It's continuously evolving. Thinking that how TV used to be at a particular time, bonding the entire family, is like considering that today, wish we had the horse and carriage for us to travel in the streets as we traveled in the past. Time of aeroplanes and fast cars. Forget about the horse and carriage. You have to have a new appreciation of what bonds the family together. Only then will you be able to actually bond it together, otherwise you're living in the past. I've often said the future of TV is not TV. And it isn't as if there is an alternative between TV only and social media or the new online platforms which are there. Actually, you need to find a way in which both can coexist and enrich each other. There's a new mantra, if you feel like, of communication. In old days, it may have been more family oriented. Today, it is individually oriented. Everything is personal because social media makes it you, yourself, and the world. Therefore, if you want to buy a car today, you can get a personally designed car by online, getting all your features, and the car will be delivered to your doorstep. Something that you could never imagine, 20 years ago. So, TV has to coexist with the different media. Now, what that is, I'm not too sure. But it isn't necessary that we need to cling to TV. We need to find some other way in which we can reach a huge mass of people. A new format of communication. And what is that? In the past, one thing reached many people. Today, many things have to reach one person. How can you reconcile the two? That's a discussion, and that's a creative format that is the way for the future. Surabhi actually did not pioneer the concept of prize money. Prizes, yes. Prize money, no. Because our prizes were not money, they were works of art, handicrafts, textiles, which actually expressed the pride that we had in being Indian and explored our own identity and creative excellence. So we didn't talk about money as a kind of incentive. It was participating and having pride in the excellence of our artistic endeavors in India. And today, actually, if you see, even shows like Kaun Banega Karodpati are not offering you just a simple cash prize. They're offering you aspiration. That's what we offered. Aspiration and identity. I don't think I would do Surabhi again. Surabhi may have been a show for a particular time, but it was also an intent, an idea. That is valid. आज भी वो जारी है. आज अगर सुरभि जैसा प्रोग्राम करना हो तो हमें एक नया फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ढूंढना पड़ेगा, वेयर वी स्पीक टू इंडिविजुअल पीपल एंड वेयर वी, उन दिनों में हमें लगा कि 3-4 मिनट की स्टोरी से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. आज के ज़माने में 3-4 सेकंड से ज़्यादा भी स्टोरी नहीं हो सकती है. आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ वीडियोज विच आर 1 second लॉन्ग ओनली, 1 second each. There is another phenomenon on social media which is called clickbait. यानी कि an interesting kind of a headline that draws you into the subject of your whatever you want to present to people. Now we have to reach out to people individually. The difference in communication then and now was कि पहले तो सब बैठ के सुनते थे, आज आपको सुनाना होगा तभी वो सुनेंगे. या मैं इसको उल्टा करूं, लोग सुनने के लिए बैठे नहीं हैं, आपको कुछ ऐसा पेश करना होगा कि वो सुनने के लिए मजबूर हो जाए. Each one has to find that particular defining norm for themselves. And the difference in the opportunities that the media gives you. मान लीजिए कबड्डी. अब आपको अगर कबड्डी पे एक प्रोग्राम पेश करना हो, you can actually have millions of them watching right across the world because your audience is no longer limited to a region or a geography. बड़ा अच्छा कहते हैं ना कि geography has now become history. Therefore, if you want to present kabaddi, even somebody in Africa or America may be listening to you. How do you reach them? So the question is, how do we use technology to create that kind of audience bonding? Now, not so much about physical family, but about social interests and intellectual meetings of minds, not of bodies. So what am I doing today? एक तो मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. पहले तो इस तरह से मैं बात ही नहीं करता था. आज मैं वो चीजें कर पा रहा हूँ, नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं जो मैं अभी तक कई सालों से नहीं कर पाया था. मैं किताब लिख रहा हूँ. आई एम राइटिंग द बुक्स दैट आई कुडंट राइट अर्लियर बिकॉज आई हैड नो टाइम फॉर द रिसर्च. आई एम doing those projects that my Surabhi Foundation had begun doing, and I had no time because of the pressures of weekly telecast or even daily telecast in some cases. And those projects are deep projects, and I am very deeply involved personally. I am now have the opportunity of doing a blog, a video blog every week, which is called Sitkak Speaks. Please do check that blog out. Press that subscribe button, and every week, almost every other day, you will find something new from my heart to yours. And I hope that something you will suggest to me from your heart to mine. It is a dialogue. Surabhi जो आप कहते थे, वो जो dialogue था, that was a little bit more one-sided because it was through the media of letters in millions, of course. But it was not direct. So do tune into Sitkak Speaks on YouTube और subscribe button को आप press कीजिएगा for your weekly update from me to you.